There's probably a guy there. There she is though, bro, in Genesis Coupe. I just hit the gym. It's been a long ass week. Honestly, the car's still clean, bro. I was thinking about washing the car this video, but honestly, I don't think we need to wash it at all. But still running no front plate, right? We're gonna go on a drive again, our weekly nighttime drive. And I don't know where we're gonna go, but I just hit the gym. I need to cool off for a bit. We might even hit the airport, cause why not? Cause I like driving near the airport and there's a lot of tunnels there, so why not? Let's go to the airport. I think it's a good idea.
Not available in Canada.
Turn this off. Anyways, guys, I know it's been one whole week since I last saw you guys. Last video you guys were actually watching, bro. You guys actually watched like how much, like 4 minutes average on the video. That's like the highest I've ever got. I don't know if it's because I was yapping about the car or if it's you guys just genuinely liked the video, but it's a little different video than last video. But no, we're gonna go drive in the airport. I'm gonna wait for this car to warm up. Hit back today, back in biceps right after work. Holy, I had a whole 60-hour work week. 60-hour work week. Mind you guys, I still go to school, bro. I do not know how I made it work, but I made it work, you know. But right now, I just needed some time to cool off. This is what I work hard for, my Genesis Coupe. You know, it might not be a M4, it might not be a RS3, it might not be a C63, it might not be a GT3 RS. No, but it's my Genesis Coupe, and I worked hard for this. And I'm gonna keep working hard until I get the mods I want and the parts I want. It's gonna happen soon. I keep saying this every video, but the next tune is gonna be, I already said it. The next mod is gonna be a tune. We will get that tune. And once we get that tune, we are gonna terrorize the streets of Toronto. Hopefully. I don't know. I think I might need an O2 housing to be that obnoxiously loud. I think my test pipes would, I think they're sufficient enough to make someone get annoyed of a Genesis Coupe. Here, I think that's more. Crack the windows open a little. Why not? There's a guy who's been watching me from the pickup truck. He definitely thinks that weird with the whole camera on my head, but you know, it's okay. It's for you guys, bro. I should really get those Ray-Ban Meta glasses right now. Yo, and these bumps are brutal, bro. The gym I go to, these guys need to fix their parking lot, bro. Holy, these bumps are brutal. I'm not even low yet. Once I get low, it's gonna be a whole different story, man. I don't even think I'm gonna park here. It's a truck. Chevy Silverado. I already see sirens. Guys, I already see sirens, bro. Downshift. Ooh, that was kind of clean, bro. That was a heel toe. I'm kind of getting the hang of heel toe. I said this last video too. It's I found the perfect point to where I can heel toe in this Genesis Coupe. Cause bro, as I said every video, the pedals are floor mounted, bro. It's so hard. It's like, since it's floor mounted, you can't even get your heel on it, man. I keep saying this every video, but it's true. It annoys me the most. I'm thinking about, you know what, we're gonna rev. Should we rev before? Because I want to get a thumbnail here. This is the thumbnail you guys are gonna see when you guys click on the video. You know what, I'm gonna get the thumbnail first and then I'll rev it in case we get kicked out. We have something to do. He was revving it for me. That's crazy. Alright, now we're getting the pictures I want. If anything, we'll take a thumbnail at the airport if we get the time to. But let's go. Oh, I sat on my bag. gotta reverse back for this. Alright, now we gotta go. I tried. I think that the car's not warm enough. I guess it didn't run enough for us to hear the pops and bangs. But if you guys are deciding to buy a Genesis Coupe, bro, this is the video you guys need to watch, bro. It's such a fun car, especially if it's manual, bro. You're gonna have a lot of fun. Like, I live in Canada, and like, mind you, we have the busiest highway, bro. 401 is the busiest highway. Like, you can fact check it on internet, bro. But I love dealing this car. Where are we going? Can I go? Do you see me? He sees me. Let's get on the highway. This is the most calmest highway I have to drive on. It has no traffic at all, cause it's the highway to the airport. Oh yeah, we got a bunch of tunnels coming up. Here we go. I don't know if you guys could hear that. Did I just shift it to third? Holy fuck, I almost fucked the car up. Whoops. Whoopsies. But, I don't know if you guys heard that because of the wind coming in. I need to get a better mic for you guys, bro. You guys can't hear most of the pops. It really pisses me off. Because then I sound like an idiot reacting to my pops, where you guys can't even hear the pops. Something, bro. These pops are loud, guys. Okay, we at the airport. It's just like GTA, boys. Holy. I think we could get a picture, yo. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, let me grab you here. Oh man, it pops when I don't want it to. Alright, we can't, bro. There's so many people here. I haven't been here in ages, though. It's kind of calming. Why is this low-key so much fun? That was fun, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I might do that more often, bro. I forgot how much underpasses the airport has for me to rev it. Oh, you moving. But we weren't even supposed to merge. I was just following this guy. Let me just get ahead of you there, bro. I have a cane and cold air intake on, that's why. I wonder when these guys are gonna turn these lights to white, cause this kind of feels outdated, bro. These halogen bulbs as street lights. Alright boys, I kind of got off the highway because the camera malfunctioned, but I got myself a Frosty because why not. I'm gonna go home now because we have to finish some homework. I forgot about that, some assignments too. It's the student life, bro. What can I say? We have to go back. Kind of wanted to go to downtown. Like, we're midway downtown, bro. We're basically at Queensway, but it's alright, I guess. And we can't even leave from here. We are gonna take a UE. Alright, I think we're good to go. Surprised the Benz is not going faster, bro. You guys are made to go fast. Come on, man. Oh, watch. As soon as they catch up, I got a downshift. Let's get behind him again. Maybe you'll go faster this time. Oh, he's going faster. Finally. That was a good pull. Again, I keep saying, what the hell? 2 guys on a scooter, nice. Alright though, I am gonna end the video now. See you guys next week. Maybe I might even have the tune, bro. I'm getting some shops that will actually tune Jennies, and they're reputable for Jennies. I'm thinking about going with Alpha Speed Performance. I don't know if I'm gonna go with the Show or Go tune. I don't know, we'll see though. I'm most likely gonna go with the Go tune. I think that's what it's called. It has the Show tune with it, but we'll see what's up. You guys will find out next week. Subscribe if you guys stay to the end of the video. Sorry there wasn't much content this time because like I just came off the gym, but next week we might do something more fun.